Hello, my name is Victory Edmond, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how you can take your business online in less than 3 minutes using VeePee Market. So when you visit VeePeeMarket.com, you can notice here you have a tab at the top that says Market, Business, Inbox, and Others. The first step is to click on Business and then select Create or Add a Business. So if you are not logged in, it's going to take you to a special page where you have to log in first. If you have an account, you put your email and password, but if you don't have an account, you say sign up now. In the page that says sign up now, you have to provide your name, your email, your phone number, and password. But I already have an account, therefore I'm going to log in directly. So when I say sign in, it takes me back to VeePee Market. And now I am logged in. So I'll wait for it to load. And after it loads, it gives me a page that says create or link a business. Now in this page, you can notice there's a space for business name, there's a space for your specialization, there's space for business description, phone number, and other informations. So you fill these informations accordingly. The name of my business is Victory Stores. I specialize on general merchandise. And I'm going to write a brief description about my business. I supply all your grocery needs. Next, please go ahead and set your business model. So you can set business model for affiliate or supplier. Affiliate or supplier is for those who are selling on behalf of another person. You're selling someone else's product. A retailer is also a reseller, but in more like you are going to have the product physically. A wholesaler is the same thing but in a large quantity. And then you have a producer. Of course, I produce some cosmetics. And then of course go ahead and insert your business location, and then you select your business logo, and then go ahead and select a banner image for your business. So over here you can see a full reflection of what my business will look like after it has been created virtually. And if you have a video for your business, you insert it as well. If you have a background sound, also insert it. Do you want external marketing? You said that. Do you do pay on delivery? You write it here and then select your subscription plan. Then you click save and continue. It's going to take you to a payment page where you have to pay for the store you are creating. So over here I'll say I've made this bank transfer, and then it verifies thanks for your payment. So ladies and gentlemen, our business is on VeePee Market. Let's verify that. If I come to business now, you're going to see Victory Stores has been created successfully on VeePee Market. Thank you very much for watching, and in the next video we are going to be talking about how to add your first product to VeePee Market.